Hi guys, welcome to Gold Price Daily Analysis. Today is Monday 17th of June 2019. This video is brought to you by the coach. Remember always our job is to make you rich. If you are a new subscriber, welcome aboard and thank you for joining us. If not yet, please hit the subscribe button. I do urge you to find out the link for the Telegram room in the description of this video. At times when there are trading opportunities or important data, we can communicate with you through the Telegram. Also, we do advise you to watch our last two videos in order for you to get the best of this video. We are going to start our analysis right after a quick recap. On the last trading session on Friday, we have been waiting for important economic headers to be released from the United States. We will start with the retail sales came below forecast, core retail sales came in line with forecast, and the Michigan consumer sentiment came below forecast, Michigan consumer expectations above forecast, industrial production above forecast. For the gold price action on the last trading session on Friday, as expected, gold started the day on high demand, made it to 1,358 since gold found rejection from that level. And market felt like overpricing gold and underpricing US dollar, especially when the data came out mixed, but not as awful as expected. Gold fell down to 1,337. That's all. We'll be moving now to the strategy recap. In our last episode, we gave our view for everyone who is in buy that gold most likely to advance to this year's highs and will attempt to print a new high, and that's what happened. Also, during the trading session, we advised buying gold around 1,348. There was an opportunity. We put a stop loss for 1,347.5, and the stop loss got executed. That's all. We'll be moving now to economic calendar. On the economic calendar for Monday and from the United States, we will be waiting for the NY Empire State Manufacturing Index for June. That's all for the economic calendar. We'll be moving now to technical indicators. On the last trading session of Friday, we have had a trading range from 1,337 plus to 1,358 figure. Numbers are rounded and the market is closed. For the closing price, gold spot printed a close price on the last trading session above 1,341. The number is rounded and the market is closed. For the daily simple moving averages, gold is trading in a bull trend above its all daily simple moving averages. For the RSI readings for the 30 minutes, it's 37 bearish with a negative momentum. For the 1 hour, it's 41 bearish with a negative momentum. For the 4 hours, it's 54 bullish, and for the 1 day, it's 70 overbought. As we said, the 30 minutes and 1 hour indications giving us an indication for a push to the downside. For the support and resistance, the supports are located 1,337, 328 and 320. For the resistance, it's 346 and 355 and 365. That's all for the technical indicators. We will be moving now to the trading strategy. Technically, gold is trading in a bull trend above its daily simple moving averages. The RSI reading in the 1 day chart pointing to overbought. On the monthly chart, it's still positive as long as gold is trading above 1,266 plus. On the weekly chart for the last week, there is an indication of indecisiveness, and on the daily chart for the last trading day, there is an ideal shooting star formation, which may indicate the end of the rally if not negated within the coming week. For the fundamentals and sentiment markets with regard to the gold, there are three considerations: tension with Iran, US-China trade war, and the last update that Trump is downplaying the possibility of a meeting with the Chinese president in the coming G20 summit. Also hopes of Federal Reserve Bank give us some clue that in the coming meeting that the Fed is going to end the rate hike cycle and start the rate cut cycle. Market is about 80% on the expectation that the Federal Reserve Bank is going to exchange the word patient, which have been used regularly in the FOMC meetings, with a phrase like "we are going to do the needful to sustain the economic growth in order to pave the way for a rate cut or two in 2019. One of them is expected by July 2019. For the trading idea, gold technically is a sell with a consideration of the shooting star formed on the daily chart. The target could be 1,325. If gold finds acceptance beneath 1,325, it's a crisis for the gold bulls because it's going to open the door for 1,300. However, for the people who are more cautious, look for a break of 1,319.87, which is the low of the last week. If that is taken, we do believe that 1,300 is on the cards. 1,345 is a suitable stop loss for the people who is more cautious. They could use 1,349. That's all for today. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please share, like, and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow in another video.